Dragon Blood wine. Is it sparkling? Let's find out.
You ready?
That was a nice pop.
Now, there's a story behind that. About a week ago, we tried to do this video again. Well, the first time. And it wasn't sparkling. So that was a nice sound. Doesn't seem like it's super sparkly.
It's what's that word?
I can't remember.
Petulant.
Petulant. Like a child. Petulant. Impetulant. I don't know. Whatever. I do see bubbles though. Last time we didn't even see bubbles. This is our 3-berry wine that we made months ago. This was bottled on 315, but it was made many moons ago. And it came out at 12.1% ABV. It's nice and rich and dark. That I like.
It's got a beautiful color.
We ended up back sweetening this, and then we carbonated, I believe.
So the color is really dark and jewel toned.
Jewel-like.
It's a purpley red, so kind of
I didn't smell
like a burgundy.
I just went right for the drink.
The bubbles have already dissipated, making me think that, yeah, this really didn't carbonate. And
it's not even petulant.
The reasons for that could be that we exceeded the tolerance of the yeast, and so the yeast just like, nope, not doing it anymore.
Yeast just got lazy and got into the taste of this stuff. That was it.
But sometimes that happens, and,
On the
and
smell,
you gotta roll with it.
This is like a Cabernet. It very much is like a dry red wine.
Like I'm almost getting a chocolate note.
Yeah, it's very rich. The berry is there, but it's almost like a back hint on the smell. This smells like a really fine red wine, dry red wine at that. On the taste, though, it's a little different. Go ahead and give it a taste. It's got some sweetness to it, but all the berry flavors pop out now. Like I even get strawberry in there, and I know there's strawberry in this. I forget how many berries are in this thing, like 27 or 42, something like that. Whatever.
Yeah, that is really nice, and
I wanted this to be sparkling, but you know what?
It doesn't disappoint.
I'm okay with it. With a steak, this is amazing.
Oh yeah.
With a burger.
Now Brian wants burgers.
I always want burgers.
We got
burgers are gourmet food, okay?
We got rice that we cooked earlier today that we have to use for dinner, and now Brian wants a burger, so I don't know what we're gonna do.
We're gonna have burgers over rice. Okay, this is really good. I actually enjoy this. I can drink this. Now, for me to say that is unusual because I normally will not reach for a wine and pour a glass and sit and drink it. I will drink it with meals. And usually I pour this much, I get to about that point, and I pour it in her glass.
Or he just hands it to me and I drink it. And I don't have to add it to my glass.
I like wine. I just can't do too much of it. It gets to be too much to me. What used to happen is I used to get goosebumps.
Now, I don't
and she
recall...
knew if I got goosebumps,
Yeah,
that was it.
he was
I was done. I'm not drinking it anymore.
I don't recall. Did we add tea to this? I don't recall, but it definitely has a tannin after effect.
The mouthfeel on
it
this
has the little tingly tannin thing.
This is what I like about good wines, is that this has the sweetness, but it has the mouthfeel too. It feels rich. It feels very viscous and thick in your mouth. But it doesn't just immediately pass through.
But that feeling isn't from the sweetness.
No.
Which is good. So it doesn't have that syrupy feel. It just has that full-bodied feel, if you know the difference.
It has the right amount of sweetness, because if you like sweet wine, this might not be sweet enough for you.
Yeah.
If you don't like dry wine, what was I going to say? If you don't like dry wine, you might find this too dry. I find it to be mildly sweet. Yeah. I wouldn't even call this semi-sweet. Yeah. This is mildly sweet. But, wow, I'm actually impressed. We need to make this one again. Okay, as for the carbonation, it happens. This is the second bottle of this now that we've tried. There was a mild amount when I was pouring it, but not enough. Is it possible that we exceeded the yeast? Sure. Is the yeast just dormant, done? Maybe I poured too much out when we let it settle. All kinds of things could have happened. There might not have been enough colony in there to ferment. It's okay. This sat for months before we carbonated it,
Yeah.
so I'm not really all that upset by it. Could I go back and add a couple of little grains of bread yeast to each bottle and get it to carbonate? Sure. Will I bother? Nah.
No.
We'll just drink it. We put it into 500 ml bottles because, 2 glasses and it's gone. And I'm kind of wishing we did 750 bottles because we will drink that much in one sitting. This is good stuff.
Yeah. So in review for this, beautiful color, not sparkling, so a failure on that. The
Cabernet smell.
The Cabernet with the almost chocolate scent, which is really
Yeah.
bizarre. And then the flavor profile, you have the drying sensation up front that you typically get from dry wines.
I get some sweetness though too.
And then you get the sweetness and the full-bodied effect
And
of
it's the dark
berry
fruits,
and,
not
yes,
just berry. I'm getting dark
like
fruit.
plum even. Yeah.
Plum is a major thing.
Yep.
Grape wine though, I'm definitely getting a very grape wine
Yep.
taste to this.
And then it has the tannic finish for the sharp cleansing palate.
Let's put it this way. If you have snobby wine snobby friends, right? You pour them a glass of this.
And you just scratch out the sparkling parts.
No. Don't show them the bottle. Just say, so I got this wine that I thought you might like. It was financially irresponsible of me to get this wine. Say it that way. Because, you bought all the stuff, right? It's a joke. But anyway, you give this to a wine snob and chalk it up like this is some expensive wine. They'll probably go along because it tastes that way. It really does. And I know, we seem like a couple of hicks or hillbillies sitting here drinking our juice-made wines, but honestly, this one is really good. We say that a lot, but this one actually came out super nice. I'm very impressed with this one. It tastes the most like a real red fine wine of anything that we've made.
Yep. So again, with pairing notes, as Brian said, the red meats, this would be beautiful for anything rich and heavy. I think this would be lovely to go with.
I also think this would go, spaghetti and meatballs.
I was thinking more of his sausage ragu, but sure.
Yeah, I could go with the sausage too, but spaghetti and meatballs with a nice garlic bread on the side. Oh, you're done. This is beautiful. Awesome.
So, make this, drink it, and enjoy.
And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.
Bye-bye.